Design of light gauge steel frame for building structures with FrameCAD structure. A tutorial series by engineer Siraj Biswas. Chartered engineer, Institute of Engineers, India. Gold medalist in engineering stream, University of Mysore. M.Tech in structural engineering, IIT, Delhi. Sun certified Java programmer, Sun Microsystem, USA.
Lastly, we shall learn some few small things. So, what we'll do in our model, all the lintel studs are passed. So, we'll try to introduce a big opening in this and try to see its engineering status. So, let us select this wall on the ground floor. So let us delete this opening. We shall join this wall. MJ is the command for joining two walls. So L28 and L27 we shall join. So now it has become a big wall itself. Remove this K bracing. Now we shall introduce a big opening. A window for window opening, user defined window opening. UW is the command. UW. Let us take its head location. Head H and enter. Then 2500 is the head height. Then let us take opening height as 2000 mm and the opening width is 2750 mm. We have placed it centrally located with respect to 2 points. So C is the command. C, enter. Let us pick this point and let us pick this point. So our opening is introduced. So we have to update the studs. So command for that is PUA, panel update. You can see the panel has been updated. Then there are quite a number of jam studs that's been provided at the end of the opening. Now let us check listing of this opening. Now you can see everything is in red. So that means this opening is failing. We might have to strengthening is whatever available option in FrameCAD has been already utilized. So we have to go for providing a MS beam or MS column for this lintel. So if you make a PPD command for this PPD, so you can see before that we have to make a label for this wall panel because we have joined it. So PL is the command. So we have selected it. Now let us name it as 70 so that it doesn't conflict with other names. Now let us give it PPD command. Now if you go to wall number 70, now you can see. Now let us take it to tag AutoCAD. Now you can see this member is filled. Now we can add another piece of lintel, but this will not be designed by FrameCAD. So we have to go for a manual check. So to add another piece of lintel, we have to draw a line. Let us draw a line from here to here. Now to add another piece of lintel, we have to code this line as lintel. So for this the command is add, add. Now there are various options. Code as head beam, ribbon beam. Ours is lintel. So code as lintel. We can take material from here. Add double lintel. We can say select it from each wall to add a single lintel. So let us say select this as wall. So code as, now select this member, select this line, then enter. So you can see one more lintel has been added over this 2 earlier lintel which is added by FrameCAD. Now if you make a PPT for this, it is still showing lintel is failed, so we might have to go for a providing a MS structural member. Let us list this lintel. Will I list? So if you have to make it bigger one, then let us erase this lintel. SE is the command to erase this lintel. SE, special erase. Again SE, enter. Read this line. Let us take another line. Let us make it as offset. Bit offset from say around 50 mm. This line has not been drawn properly. Now offset this line 50 mm. Delete it. You can see we have added 2 numbers, still it is failing. So at times we might have to provide MS members to check a lintel. So this is about the adding a lintel plate, extra lintel plate over opening, or checking the design status of a lintel. But note that this lintel plates or lintel stress is not checked by FrameCAD against out of plane loading. That is the wind pressure that is acting laterally on the wall and pushing the wall out of plane. Design and deflection is not checked in that respect, so that has to be checked manually. So suppose we want to add a stud, so copy a stud. Use the command copy, select them with the screw as well. Now take a base point from the nearby stud so that the gap is maintained. Now choose the destination point and place it, and then enter. So a new stud has been added. So this is the other way is to add command. So you can choose from the material using stud. So for that you have to make a line. Let us make a line here. Say we need a line at midpoint. So let us draw a line, then draw another line, MID mid, line command, then MID mid. for here also we will need another line. Let us draw that line. So then line command, then image emit command. So this is the midpoint of the line. This is how we can locate the position of stud. Now add is the command. So let us choose a stud. So forward as, select this line, then enter. So you can see the stud has been added, but we have to put the screws manually. We can copy it from here. CU copy, 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 so then take a base point, place it here. Now note that these screws are not at proper point, so we don't need them. Let us copy something from here. CU copy, take a base point from here, place it here, and then place it here. Thereafter the command is ppd, then update. So the panel has been updated. So the next command for after that is to export this file to CNC file for generation of, for using in detailer file and providing the fitting file for the FrameCAD machine or any other machine which is compatible with FrameCAD. So for that, let us have to select the CNC file of the floor joist. So go to the layout panel for floor, then command for that is CNC enter. So you can see the CNC is now complete. Now where is the CNC file that is generated? If you go to documents, you will find for this PC there is a CNC folder. Under this folder, the sample building floor 1 has been created. Now if we go to say panel, let us give the command of CNC again. It is taking quite a bit. Now you can see the CNC is complete. Now if we go to the file again, so in CNC folder, under document in CNC folder, you will find this sample building panel1.CNC file. These are the files which can be modified. These are XML documents which can be modified in the detailer file for factory machine, for production file, or some people may have other kind of machine. So this XML file they can use to generate relevant file for their machine to have a production file which can be used for production. With this, our tutorial on design of frame cut light gauge steel structure with frame cut is complete. When you install a frame cut software, a trial version is available for 1 month. You will find frame cut structural reference guide in which a lot of other commands will be available. Once you have practiced all this software, you will become proficient to use the frame cut structure reference guide and use other commands as well. Thank you. Best of luck for you people's future interviewer.